Welcome to how to add music tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to add music to your videos using Canva. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So, first you can add a new project by clicking on Create a Design. Then here you'll find the video. Click on it. So you need to click on upload from here. Then you need to click upload file to upload your video and audio that you want to add. So I have uploaded this GTA gameplay video, so I will add it here. Then after you add the video, you can do two things. The first thing is to go to apps, then here go to audio, and here if you have a pro subscription you can choose any music you want, or you can try to find a free music here. So if you don't find free music, you can always go to uploads and upload your own audio or your own music. So I'll upload a music and be back. So as you see here, I uploaded a music. You can just simply click on it, or you can select it and put it here. Now if I played the video, this is what you will hear. So, as you see, I added a video and a music through Canva. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.